Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. It's almost the end of the year, and we are seeing the ones we love, and we are spending time with our families. So tonight we are having guests for dinner, and I am making a very special little cake, which is one of my mum's recipes. It's called Amandina. It's a Romanian cake, chocolate cake, chocolate filling, and chocolate ganache. So good, so good, so good. I will take you guys to the process step by step. I will put all the pictures on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine, and the video on YouTube will be, as you have been used by now, on Rapid. So if you like what you see here today and you're not one of my subscribers yet, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell. That way you get notifications every time we put a video up. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and because it's almost the end of the year, I want to say thank you so much for being with me throughout the whole year, for watching me, for giving me all your love. So thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing you next year with more exciting things, and I want to wish you a happy new year and a merry Christmas, and see you next year. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget, go break an egg. So the ingredients for the amandine, for the sponge of the amandine, I put the oven on at 180 degrees to preheat it, and I'm using two loose bottom tins which I've buttered and lined with a bit of paper. You can do it also in a big 24 centimeters tin. That's what my mum uses normally, but I will transform it in a proper nice round cake. So you need 7 eggs, which I've separated yolks from whites. You need 5 tablespoons of water. You need 12 tablespoons of raising flour. You need 12 tablespoons of sugar. You need 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and I've added to the flour a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So the first step of this is to beat the egg whites until they're nice and fluffy, and then add the ingredients in one by one. We leave the flour and the cocoa at the very end. Yeah, so let's just do that, guys. And in this bowl we have 3 eggs with 250 grams of sugar and 3 tablespoons of cocoa. So this is going to go on the fire in a pot of water, which is here. It's going to go on top. We're going to steam it a bit at bain-marie until all the sugar is melted. You can check it with your finger like that. Once it's gone, it's gone. And in the meantime, we're gonna have a pack of butter, 250 grams of butter, that we are going So the last bit of the little cake, it's been in the fridge overnight, but it's still very, very moist. So I'm very happy with the way it came out. The last bit that we need to do is the chocolate ganache. And in my mom's recipe, the chocolate ganache says to add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar with about 6 cubes of chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate because I like it. You can use any chocolate of your preference. And then 5 tablespoons of hot coffee. If the little chocolate is not going to melt with the help of the hot coffee, I will use a bit of a bain-marie just to melt the chocolate. Yeah. So let's do the 5 little tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now let's try and mix this in, see if my chocolate will melt. Oh, this smells so good. So yeah, give it a bit of a stir because your chocolate needs to be all melted so you can have a proper ganache. We're gonna pour all this on top of the cake, and I will show you a bit of a decoration on the pictures. So don't forget to go to my Instagram account for all of the lovely pictures. Yeah. So this is it. We don't have a microwave, of course. If you have a microwave, you can do this in the microwave as well. But I will use a bit of a bain-marie because my chocolate is now melting. See you in a bit.